I have old Longines mechanical watch from 60s, and after winding it, it got stuck. Here is a short video how I managed to put it back in normal. I don't wear this watch very much, it's not my style, and it's pretty much beat up, but it's still 80 karat gold watch. I opened the case and the watch wasn't working. Here is a simulation what I was doing. There are two big gears for winding the watch and one small gear that hold mainspring when it's wind. I wind mainspring to the max, and with that I managed to release pressure from this small gear and then use some sharp object to move it, and then this released these two big gears to unwind mainspring. Now I'm wind it again to do same thing again. Here we go again. Its mainspring is maxed wind, and I put the pressure, and this small gear is free, and I can move this small gear while I'm handling the stem and releasing the stem slowly to unwind watch. Actually, I was really upset when my watch stopped working. Then I was thinking, oh no, I paid 60 euros for servicing it few months ago, and I don't use this watch again. And then I was thinking, what should I do? And YouTube is your friend, and I remembered that maybe I wind it too much. Hope this video was interesting to you or help you. Please like and subscribe. In the link description I put original YouTube video.